nature, in the rocks, in the clouds, in the sky. So much we can learn from the United States here, especially for California. How they look after their citizens and also building their infrastructure. We have rest areas, places where you can rest, take photos, have some snacks. Also, we've noticed a lot of camping grounds, so it's really nice that families are encouraged to do a lot of outdoors activities. It's really lovely, so you can connect with nature and get to appreciate God's creations and the many different colors that
school children.
Yes.
School camps. They got cabins.
Yes, many cabins and school groups. It's during summer, so I think it might be some scout groups or
Summer camps.
Even though it's COVID-19 pandemic time, but we noticed there were lots of camping grounds filled up in the Yosemite National Park. Okay, so here we have see families enjoying the afternoon. Look at those rocks up there. Beautiful rocks. I think when you're out in the outdoors like this, you get to appreciate little things. So it's a camping ground inside. There are lodges where I think you can stay the night, apparently. Okay. Alright, okay. Enjoy this video until the next video that I will be showing is people coming back down from the mountain. Naka.